magnetic toroidal field. There is no South Pole. Your compass objectively, empirically, and scientifically concludes that the Earth is a level plane with a fixed center source. Your compass, when you flip a switch for a current, your compass points to the current. It doesn't have to be a bar magnet. Claiming that it's a bar magnet is a false equivalency logical fallacy. Circling a compass with a fixed needle compass proves nothing. We have a natural lodestone, a compass functioning properly, because east and west are semicircles and circles. That's why your compass pivots. It is objective. The red half is objective. Your heading, your direction, your bezel, it does not matter. The red half is the same for everyone, no matter what you do with your compass. When there's a fixed source in the center, your compass functions properly. Your compass will function properly with a fixed source in the center. If you add this static, all right, this is our South Pole. Let's have a constant South Pole now. Look, it's not working. It's not working because we have two field acting on it at the same time. Get rid of our South Pole that doesn't exist and has no evidence. Weird. Now our compass functions properly. Let's add the constant force of a South Pole that doesn't exist. Compass does not work. Take away the South Pole that doesn't exist. Compass works fine. Add the South Pole. Compass doesn't work. Take the South Pole away. Compass works fine. Like fucking, how it's not that hard? A compass is a single pole, horizontal plane instrument for measuring semicircles and circles. It is the latitude on your map, okay? It doesn't work when two polarity are acting on it at the same time. The needle is static, okay? Look, I'm going 5 or 6 inches here. Both polarity acting on my needle at the same time. With your heading is subjective to only you. The compass is a constant force. It's constantly pulling the needle to the center, the source in the center. You see how much pivot is here when there is one field, one polarity, because that's how a compass functions. You going south doesn't change the fact that your compass needle, red half, is constantly being pulled to the source magnet, okay? That's why it doesn't work when there are two fields, because it's a single field instrument, a single pole instrument. It doesn't work. You don't use the white part of your fucking compass. This is the indicator, very clearly identified as the indication. It's an analog instrument. It is the instrument that we use to determine latitude, okay? Left and right is east and west, like a clock, okay? So what you're doing is trying to claim that a compass works with both pole acting on it at the same time. It does not. You know why it does not? Because a bar magnet is not what we live in. We live in a toroidal field, first of all. Second of all, look, there is nothing in the middle. They zap this at both ends. Electric dipole moment. Opposing orientational polarization. There is nothing in the middle. It's not magnetic in the middle. Only the ends. A compass does not work with two opposing polarity field acting on it simultaneously. There are 0 instruments for cartography that account for anything that has to do with the globe. There are 0 objective measures, 0 analog instruments to measure the globe with upside down curved water.
The flat Earth map dates back over 1,000 years. This map is credited to being created by a Persian astronomer. His name was Al-Biruni, and he lived between 970 to the United States Geological Survey. It used to be present in many places before the creation of NASA and the Antarctic Treaty in 1959. Here you see it with Admiral Byrd. This map has been restored by Dmitry from Russia with suggestions of mine, Eddie Alenkar, known by my YouTube channel Flat Earth Banjo. I ask